Okay, namhlanje ku-ad hoc committee, i-second witness yethu bi-appearisha ngu-National Commissioner Fanny Masemola. So, kwi-first video yami ya-today, bendike ndathetha ngomcimbi woba kuye kwaphuma i-search warrant for i-gadgets zika-General Sibiya no-Chief of Staff uNkabinde. Ndatsho ndathi, I am not really sure about Minister Mchunu, but ndilivile igama lakhe. So, now I'm coming to tell you ukuthi, after listening to this video, igama lakhe liyavela uMinister Mchunu ba naye kune-search warrant yakhe okuya for uba athathelwe naye i-gadgets zakhe, meaning ama-phones wakhe nani. And then further kukhona lapho u-evidence leader ibuza khona into ba so ithini into should we expect i-arrest na okanye ithini into, but umbuza jokingly ngoba uze usho uthi hayibo ngoba lo muntu siyamdinga ngalokhu Monday ithini into yakhe refera ku-General Sibiya yakhe. So uphendulile u-National Commissioner wathi hayi akazubanjwa yena ngoku, for now i-warrant ephumile ye-gadgets izinto ezithathiwe, as for yena uzaba khona Monday. So I've been hearing i-speculations ezininzi abantu bethetha nge-arrest. So people, after listening to this, I don't think we should expect any arrest soon, because General Sibiya kumele uba ayo appear at hoc committee on Monday.
Because I was busy here doing everything preparation, Honorable Chair. At one of the breaks, I was informed that there was a search and seizure warrant where the investigation team went to collect gadgets. They were not arresting anybody. It was just a matter of apparently looking for people to get the gadgets. So I'm sure they missed each other in the process there. I will still be briefed as I get out here. That's the little I can say. Thank you.
And also I mentioned to you this morning and subsequently, Chair, maybe you didn't have an opportunity yet, the letter was copied to the evidence leaders, that there was also an attempt to obtain these devices from Kabinde and Minister Mchunu.
Yeah, when I got the brief, that is exactly what I was told, that they were looking for the people's gadget, not for the people.
So again, it was just to obtain their mobile, their cell phones.
That is correct, Honorable Chair.
Not to arrest them.
No, they say they were looking for gadgets, not for arresting people.
Yes, because we want Lieutenant General Sibiya to be here on Monday.
No, he will be here, Honorable Chair.